Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. I'm your teacher Mavish. Today I will tell you about the digit 1. As you have learned in your previous class about the digit 1, now I will again tell you about it. Let's have an introduction of the digit 1. Here is the number 1. Let's repeat after me. 1. Again 1. Again 1. Very nice. Now we will sing a poem of the number 1. And all of you will sing with your teacher. Okay, ready? Let's start. You are number 1. You are so much fun. You are number 1. You are so much fun. You are number 1. And touch the bottom. Very nice. Well done. Here is the digit 1. Again, write the digit 1. Go down, make a straight line and touch the bottom. All of you will touch this bottom line. Again, write the digit 1. Go down and touch the bottom line. Now here are the writing instructions. Teacher will guide you how to not write. पहले हमने सीखा था कैसे 1 लिखते हैं. अब टीचर आपको बताएंगी कि आपने किस तरह उसको लिखना है और किस तरह से नहीं लिखना. कुछ बच्चे जब लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आप लोग यूँ शेक करते हैं अपने हैंड को, यूँ लाइक दिस. यू विल स्टार्ट लाइक दिस. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. This is not correct. It's wrong and it will got sad. And if you will write like this slant line, this is not correct also. This is wrong. It will also got sad. You will make a line like this and you will end here. This is not correct. As teacher have give you the instruction, you have to touch the bottom line. So it's not good. It will again got sad. And if you some of your students will write like this, it's nice. It's looking very good. It will be got happy. Very nice. And some students write like here. This is also not looking good. It will again be sad. So try to write correctly as teacher have give you the instructions. I hope you will understand the digit 1. Now do the writing practice at your home. Here I have prepared the notebook page for your homework. Kindly mothers, you will prepare the notebook page like this and the children will write down here on the dots by following the instructions as I have given. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.